warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Resty Sari and I'm from grade 11 Science 1. Now I will tell you about how to use a blender properly. Stay tuned! So here you need some materials and tools. There are a blender, something to grind, container, water, extension stop, and a rake. Steps. The first step, put the blender jar into the blender base. The second step, insert the blender plug into the extension stop. The third step, put the materials you want to grind. Next, close the blender tightly. And then, press the down button to turn on the blender. And then pour the mixed materials into another container. Next, pull the blender plug from the extension stop. Next, wash the blender after use. And the last step is dry the blender and keep it in a safe place. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it's useful and I'm sorry if there are some mistakes in my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.